What's up guys, good morning. So here again, this is the second lot where we planted bamboos, but yeah, we visit here and monitored if the survival rate for our bamboo, plantation. But sad to say, it's 30% survival rate. Yeah, I think when you plant bamboos, you need to you need to monitor, and I think it is much better that you will you know cut the grass around the bamboo where you planted, so that it could not prevent from the bamboo trees growing. It could not hinder. Nay uso. Nay ibo dahos kawayan. Dahos kawayan. Ay di.
Wow.
Kana. Di na. So out there is Apple River. This is life. This is our life. This is the place where we plant bamboos. You have to avoid planting bamboos near the pathway, human pathway, because most of the time there will be someone that will pasture their cows and carabaos, and it will be a disaster for you. Dapat tayo usap. So one right here happen. So yeah, this is one that survive. Even this kind of grass, but you might think that it will not affect of how they grow, but yeah, it could really affect tremendously. And it is easily to spot bamboo leaves. It really distinctive leaves. You can easily spot even if there's many grasses around it. Where? Okay. I will see to the camera. So yeah, there's another one also.
Almost like invisible.
Yeah, it's if you will not
the leaf is like a camouflage.
see to it clearly, so you will not notice it because it blends to the grasses also. Ambot yun dali pero kaya na ko.
Kadto nakita nimo wa.
Wala makita man ako nakitan.
Kain ka na.
Oo, og dito.
Asa?
Nadalapis na kuan nga. May natumba nga sanga.
Tanong din.
Even this kind of small trees, it can really hinder from their growth.
Kinilay mong parkingan. Una bakho.